Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a string skipping arpeggio. So it's actually really easy to do some basic string skipping arpeggios. I'm going to show you from C major chords and D major chords, D sharp diminished and E minor. It's gonna really sound cool if you play it fast. But of course, we're gonna start it from slow. We're gonna be patient and let's practice together. that's it guys. I hope you enjoy this video and find it interesting to learn to start practice your string skipping arpeggios. So don't rush yourself, don't push yourself too hard. So remember, always be patient. Me myself, I still practice to get better every single day. So that's the fun of the journey guys. By the way, if you want to support me, you can join my Patreon. The link is on the description. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, and see you guys on the next video. Bye.